Hi there, today I am going to teach you how to create this 3D pattern in Adobe Illustrator step by step. So without any further ado, let's jump into the Illustrator. Take a file of any size because file size doesn't matter for creating that pattern. Turn off the stroke. Now I am making 3 color palettes of 3 colors. I am using gray color. You can use other color if you want. Next, I am creating a gradient and you can choose the color of your choice. I am taking yellowish green and black color. In gradient type, select radial gradient. Then right click on the rectangle tool and select star tool. Left click on the artboard with the star tool. Here set the radius on value to 200 pixels, radius to 100 pixels, points to 3 and hit OK. Don't worry about the gradient on the triangle. Again, right click on the artboard with the star tool. This time, only change radius value to 6 and hit OK. This is the center shape. Select both shape and center align horizontally and vertically. Then go to the Pathfinder and click on Divide. If you can't find Pathfinder, then go to the Windows and click on Pathfinder. Then select both shapes and ungroup them. Select each shape on the 3 side one by one and apply the colors with the eyedropper tool. Then select all shapes and make another copy. In this, change the color of each of the shapes slightly from the previous shape. Group the two shapes separately. Rotate the shape below 180 degree because this shape cannot be aligned at any other angle. Place it next to the first shape like this without leaving a gap and center align both vertically. Now go to the object panel. Inside pattern, click on make. If the warning in the middle shows up, click OK. Go to the pattern option. Name the pattern here. And set the title type to brick by row. Set the width value to 346 and set the copies to 5x3. Click on done. Move the shape or delete it. Inside swatches, here is our pattern we created just now. Select this pattern and draw anything with your favorite shape. So that's it. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Till then, take care.